welcome back to the Veti Rider.
Today we are coming to explore one of the must-visit places in Goa. If you're in Goa, don't miss this.
Let's quickly get into the video.
This video is special to us because it's our favorite and most visited place in Goa. It's 32 kilometers from Panjim and 30 from Mapsa. If you guys are wondering if it's too far, then be rest assured for one that it would be completely worth your travel time. And secondly, you can visit many nearby places like the Keri Footbridge, the Keri Dam, Mayam Lake for bungee jumping, and some famous temples around. We've explored all of these places and we will link it for you guys in the description. Now for Harvalem, there are two routes. Choose this one that has this huge signboard just opposite to this complex. This will lead you straight to the entrance of the temple. This is a temple dedicated to Lord Shiva and draws a large number of devotees during Mahashivratri. So this temple is built in a way that it faces the waterfall. Thereby you gotta cross the temple to reach the falls. There are two paths to the waterfalls. One is the actual falls, which will give you a closer view of it, and that's towards your left. And another one which is going towards your right is the water stream, which will have a more sophisticated look of this entire place. It's attractive all throughout the year, but it's the best during monsoons. The water will be splashing all over you, soaking you completely, and the fun is unlimited. And we have never missed to see a rainbow here during monsoons. There are these steps leading to the Harvalem village, and 2 or 3 kilometers of trek will lead you to the main road, and that's another way to reach Harvalem Falls. After enjoying this closest view of the falls, you can go down to explore the water stream. This is one such place which we should never miss to experience. It's beautiful in and out. After getting mesmerized by this waterfall for the nth time, we were getting back home. But there are two more places that you should not miss at all. One is this old hanging bridge which is at a walkaway distance from the falls and is towards the other side of the temple. Ideal for photography, this place is small and scenic. And the second one is this cave which is on the way and which is just 500 meters from the falls. It was always fantasizing to hear that one single story about this cave during our childhood was that it was carved in one single night by the Pandavas during their 14 years of exile. Don't know how far this is true, but the story was interesting and made this cave very, very special to us. We hope you guys love the story, the cave and the dreamy beautiful waterfall. More and more fun is coming all your way from Goa. So stay tuned to the Veti Rider and you guys don't forget to take care of yourself.